What's going on, everyone? We're going to play a little scenario right now. Now, obviously, there can be lots of different scenarios, lots of different ways this market goes, but I'm just going to show you something real quick. So when I say wait it out, obviously everything's a gamble, right? Wait it out, wait it out, wait it out. For me, I'm waiting it out. I actually put an offer on a house the other day, believe it or not, and I tell everybody, don't buy, maybe it's better to rent unless you get a good deal. Well, I put an offer on a house, right? And I said, I'm not paying the difference of appraisal. I will, structure it this way. I do want you to pay my closing costs, but if I have to roll into my rate, because you can do that, you can get a higher rate, everyone. Listen to what I'm telling you. You can get a higher rate and roll some of those closing costs in, talk to your local lender. And I said, but I'm not paying any more than this. I don't want to put myself in a predicament where, God forbid, a couple years down the road, my house isn't worth as much and I need to pull money out of it, right? Everything to me is a business transaction when it comes to real estate. I don't have a love for something, or I don't have an attachment to real estate. It's business to me, right? So I got outbid. You want it still? It's yours. If you heck, nope, no, I do not. So I'm going to show you the difference of two different scenarios of what I'm waiting for, and I'll show you. $300,000 house. Let's just say it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. So you're buying a 4-bedroom, 2-bath for $300,000. You get a great interest rate of 3%. Phenomenal, right? And you put 5% down at minimum, $15,000. So round about your monthly payments, $1,603. We're not saying anything about a CDD or HOA, anything like that. We're just doing basic. 3% rate, 5% down, monthly payment. What's good about this market compared to what we had in 2007-8 is the interest rates are really good. We're not seeing adjustable loans, so people are being able to afford something bigger in price. Here's the issue, though. When people are saying, I can afford more, the houses aren't changing. The prices are going up. So you're not necessarily affording more house anymore because these houses are just skyrocketing in price. So what you should have afforded here is now this much money. So you're just affording a bigger mortgage. It doesn't say, I can now get that 7-bedroom house. No, you just can get that other 4-bedroom house that's worth too much money now. That's what's going on right now. So let's say I wait. $250,000 house, same community, but my interest rate is 5%, right? I get a higher interest rate. I still put the same amount of money down, but I have a little savings, so it's $2,500 in savings, right? My monthly payment goes up compared to yours. I have a higher monthly payment than you, okay? So let's just say I'm paying an extra let's say $600 a year. From my savings of my down payment, that gets me a couple years right there, right? Okay, so I got 4 years. So 4 years of the savings. But also, look at that. I now have this house where you might be underwater because the market shifted a little bit or came down. This is more inventory. But here's the other key factor. If I got my closing costs at 3% as well, that's a huge thing because I don't want to play with my interest rate, right? But if I can get my closing cost credit to me at 3%, that's $7,000, right? So that's another. So let's say the difference of my down payment, $2,500, and the $7,000, it's $9,500, right? It's $9,500 that I can put in an interest-bearing account. I want to make my money work for me, right? And I'm going to be doing another class about, is your money working for you when you buy something cash, right? Or if you're putting a hefty down payment, that money is not working for you unless you're paying yourself back interest, like you're your own bank. So the money's not working for you. So I want that money to work for me. Maybe I'll reinvest it into real estate. If the market's good, I'll buy something else with it, right? Or I'll put it into something that's making me money. Now, the other thing we're not talking about is taxes as well. Because the assessment, I might get a better break on taxes. It's not going to be drastic, but it's still going to be something. So I don't mind paying a higher rate if I can get a better deal. There's so many different factors involved, closing costs. I'm not paying appraisal. I'm saving money. That money's working for me. So that's how I'm looking at it. I will not, you see me stop my feet? I will not pay a difference of appraisal. I know some people in different situations. I get it, but man, I mean, I'm seeing offers come over on houses I'm listing, and I'm just like, wowzers, And I tell buyers call me all the time, if you're looking to buy, be prepared. Even my sellers, I say, you are going to be like right here. You're the kings and queens. And then when you go to buy, you're going to see, and especially as a seller, when you see these offers coming in and you're like, oh my God, this is nuts. Well, guess what? You're now going to be, look at that, another text. Every time I do a video, I get a text message. Every time. It's a world record. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to hear comments on this. We're going to be talking about a lot this week, a lot of education. Any questions on selling? Remember, people are constantly writing to me, calling me, just want to know how much they would net if they sell. Look, there's no obligation. Just call me, text me. Hey, how much would I net if I sold my house? No problem. I'll do a whole net sheet for you, just to give you a heads up. Happy Monday. Have any questions? Talk to you guys soon.